Hello everyone, my name is Tao, and today I'm practicing 4 vowel sounds in our last lesson. Now let's see and check with me. Short vowel A, back, dad, facts, value, set, hash, jacket, taxi, apple, cage, rabbit, tag. The fat cat wore a jacket. Pack your sack and bring your magnet. He sang about an actor named Jack. Short vowel A, egg, gate, friend, next, entrance, better, healthy, lettuce, wrench, spread, best, ready, every, red, exit, check, fence, headset, necklace, wealth. Resting on the edge of the bed. 10 letters from the enemy. Dennis will enter the festival. The message was given to the chef. Hello again, friends. Let's do a weather check. Well, whoever said temperatures are getting better get ready to spend a wet weekend in Tennessee. Long vowel U, blue, booth, news, booth, juice, loosen, ruler, foot, choose, mood, moving, loop, new, tooth, smooth, pool, moon, shoes, zoo, grew, room. The room in the school was very cool. Tuesday at noon in the studio, viewing the moon on June 9th. Do you remember the woman who lived in a shoe? She hadn't got a clue what to do when your family grew. Well, through your help, they are moving in June into 2 big boots. Short vowel up, foot, talk, cook, shock, stood, good, look, book, wool, swoosh. He took a good look under the hood and found a flute. Julie enjoyed good books after school. He put his foot in the new boot. She took her students to the brook to wash their shoes. We pulled him out of the swimming pool. The fool ate until he was full. Thank you for your watching.